power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392 in granite crystal metallic with LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels with 35-inch tire package, trailer tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, Select Track full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90783A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.